Here are two different ways that you can use CA glue to either fix or to strengthen your wood carvings. My beginning students do this relief carving of a Celtic knot, and they often have issues with pieces of the border chipping out, particularly on the short grain side. This kind of chip out in a carving can be fixed pretty easily with CA glue. Starbond was nice enough to send me a sample pack of their CA glues, and I'll be using the medium CA glue and the activator for this. I take the piece out, then put CA glue on the bottom section and put it back in place. Then I like to hold it down with a ruler and spray the accelerator, which cures it instantly. Another thing that I use the CA glue for in carving is to reinforce a really thin area so that it doesn't break off. I tilt the carving and pour the thin CA glue onto the side of the fragile part. It's very thin, so it soaks into the wood fibers and strengthens them like resin. The reason I tilt the wood is so that all of the CA glue goes into where I need it to, rather than pooling down here. I'll do the same thing on the other side. You can see it actually went through. I can either let it dry on its own, or I can use the spray accelerator again if I want it to dry instantly. The CA glue will affect the way that the wood absorbs things, so keep that in mind if you're planning to use a stain or an oil on your carving. With those tips, you'll be able to fix your carvings and reinforce them. There's a link in the description where you can get your own Starbond CA glues and a coupon code to save some money. Thank you for watching. Bye.